So in this topic, we will see about periodic classification of element, wherein the title is classification of the periodic table based on their properties. So basically, there are 9 classification, which is element classified as elements classified as metalloids. Second one is elements classified as alkali metals. Third one is elements classified as alkaline earth metals. Fourth one, elements classified as transition metals. And then fifth element classified as other metals. Sixth is elements classified as non-metals. Seventh is elements classified as halogens. Elements, sorry, seventh, yeah. Eighth is elements classified as noble gases and elements classified as rare earth metals. So, this we will try to understand with the help of diagrammatic representation of an periodic table. Let us consider an periodic. In this, basically, we will see what is metalloids, what is alkali metal, and alkaline earth metals. So, our periodic table looks somewhat like this. Right. So, it is going to be here there will be an hydrogen, and here there is going to be helium, and there are going to be 2 rows over here, and then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's make it 10. And then there are going to be here there is going to be 6 of it. And 6. So here there is going to be the lanthanide series and the actinide element series, and there are going to be 7 of it. Yeah. So it should be like இங்கிருந்து there should be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here there should be. So this is how roughly the periodic table looks, wherein the first element hydrogen and the second to be helium, and from here lithium starts. So here what we'll see is, in this video we'll first cover off elements as metalloids, elements as alkali metals, and elements as alkaline earth metals. So here in alkali, so here in the periodic table, we have the metalloid groups, that is the group number 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 of the periodic table contains metalloid groups. So the metalloids would be the one which is over here: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, then it would be antimony, tellurium, polonium, and astatine. So these are the various, so actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there should be a 7th. Okay, correct. So polonium and astatine. So the group numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. In this, we have the group number 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 contains metalloids. Metalloids are nothing but these are elements that is going to possess both the properties of an metal and a non-metal. So these are going to be semiconductors, and they can conduct charge. They can conduct electrical charge, and that can be useful for electrical appliances. So basically the metalloids that are found are going to be metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, and astatine. These are the metalloids that are going to be that are found in the periodic table. So let us make this metalloids to be in a different color, written in a different color. Blue, so pink, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, and astatine. Okay. Now moving on to the alkali metals. Alkali metals are the elements that are found in the first group of the periodic table, and these are generally
metals and are very reactive metals that they do not exist in native state in nature. They do not exist in native state in nature. And then these are malleable, ductile, and they are going to conduct heat and electricity. So the list of elements that is going to be there in alkali metal is lithium, sodium, uh, and then potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So these are list of alkaline metals. And then moving on to alkaline earth metals, these are the elements that are going to be found in what is that called? Going to be found in um, second group of the periodic table. So these are not as reactive as the alkali metals, and and they are going to be widely distributed in the rock structures, and the elements that are present here are going to be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, yes, are after strontium it is barium, and it is going to be radium. So these are the alkaline earth metals that are going to be present in this mm, in the periodic table. So now let us so now this is so far we have seen metalloids, alkali metals, and alkaline earth metals. So metalloids are going to have the properties of both metals and non-metals, whereas it is found in 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 group of the periodic table. And then when you move on to alkali metals, it is going to be highly reactive, and the elements are found in the first group of the periodic table. Whereas in case of alkaline earth metal, it is going to be seen in the second group of the periodic table. Alkali metals are going to be more reactive in comparison to the alkaline earth metals, and alkali metals are not going to be found in native state. And then in case of alkaline earth metals, it is going to be abundantly found in the rock sediments. So in the next video, we will see the other classifications, wherein we'll discuss about transition metals, other metals, and uh, non-metals, halogens, and noble gases, and rare earth metals.